Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so one thing I'd like to do here is show you how to make a three-column page here. So we have a left column, a center column, and a right column. So first things first, what we're going to do is we are going to actually go ahead and get rid of all of this first. We're just going to basically keep the header. So in order to do this, we basically need to make a table. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We have a table, and for now I'm just going to make the border. We'll make it 10 actually. No, that's too much. 3. And we're just going to make it a one row for now. So you need to push TR and close the tag as well. And we're going to place a TD and close that up as well. We're going to call this left column, and we're also going to call this middle column, and this is going to be the right column. Now, there's kind of a problem here, and that is that this table just looks like we just put a table on the screen. And we would be right. That's exactly what happens. So what happens if we put width equals 100%? Well, as you can see here, the whole table becomes 100% of the page. Now, what we can also do is we can also make it 90%. Okay? And we can also align equals center. There we go. Now that actually looks kind of cool. The border looks a little cheesy, and we'll clean that up later. We'll clean that up with some styles. But basically, this is what's happened here, is that the column is here, and we can have our left column, and then a right column, and our middle column as well. Okay? Now, again, I'm just going to push break here, and I'm just going to go and show you what we're really doing here. Is we can have these columns go on as as short or as long as we want. Okay, we have a left column, or middle column, and a right column. Okay, and so you can put whatever you want here. So for example, you could put your links here, you could put your social media here, and you could put your blog in here. Okay, and the only other thing that we can do is 90 seems a bit little, 95 seems a little bit better. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next